Automating shipment tracking process using Agentic AI. In this demo, we explore how a pharmaceutical customer transforms their shipment tracking process with Agentic AI. John Smith, a coordinator responsible for tracking shipments, logs into the Nividous Control Center and adds a shipment tracking form. Prior to automation, users needed to fill this form manually. We will shortly demonstrate how this step is now automated using Agentic AI. Additionally, the logistics team previously tracked shipments manually in Excel, copying tracking numbers, checking transporter websites, and updating records. Agentic AI now automates this entire workflow with intelligence and precision. Here, the user is empowered through Agentic AI-enabled automation, enabling them to simply instruct the agent assistant to execute tasks. The process begins when the user uploads an Excel file containing shipment records and instructs the agent to group them by shipper. Agentic AI interprets the user's intent using natural language understanding, selects the appropriate Excel agent, reads the data, and intelligently groups the records by transporter. Here, the Agentic AI demonstrates actionable intelligence. It comprehends the user's request through Generative AI, autonomously identifies the right tools, and executes the task seamlessly. The user then instructs the agent to track all shipments and fetch the latest delivery details. The agent interprets the instructions, selects the appropriate web agent, and performs automated web navigation across multiple transporter websites. It retrieves delivery status, destination, and delivery dates for each shipment, without any manual intervention. This highlights Agentic AI-enabled orchestration, where AI agents such as the web agent, Excel agent, and data agent coordinate actions, apply reasoning, and drive outcomes seamlessly. Finally, the user instructs the agent to update shipment details back in the system. Agentic AI autonomously selects the appropriate integration tool, capable of interacting through the user interface or directly via backend APIs, and updates every record accurately and efficiently. The agent notifies the user that the form data has been successfully updated for all records, which are now visible in the tabular view. If a shipment is not delivered within 5 business days of pickup, the system identifies an SLA breach and automatically triggers an escalation notification. William, a manager, logs into the Nividous Control Center and accesses a role-based, customized dashboard that provides drill-down visibility into both business and process metrics. By combining the intelligence of generative AI with the autonomy of Agentic AI, organizations can automate workflows, enhance productivity, and refocus on strategic priorities, turning intent into action. Ready to transform your processes with Agentic AI? Talk to Nividous experts today.